Weekend, a Buffalo bride refused to let the snowstorm keep her from tying the knot. 2 on your side's Alexandra Rios talked to her just hours before she was still able to walk down the aisle.
Despite the bad weather, one Buffalo bride, Eliza Schwab, is determined to tie the knot.
Well, this is how we're going into married life. Craziness, so I don't think it get much crazier.
Eliza and her fiance James have been dating for 8 years.
I love her a lot. I love her for the rest of my life, and things aren't turning out the way we thought they would, but like I said earlier, we'll have our loved ones together, and we're gonna make the best of it.
And November 19 has been circled on their calendar for a year and a half.
It's happening.
But when lake effect loomed in the forecast, Eliza's maid of honor, Courtney, kept her cool.
2 weeks ago it was 60 degrees and sunny, and now we're in the middle of a snowstorm.
Their entire family and friends are here.
All the way from Hawaii, California, Colorado, Washington. Everyone made it here. Family bridal party, so other guests hopefully will travel safe.
And made it into town before the travel bans were put into place.
So we came in Thursday night. We've been partying, staying warm here in Buffalo.
And after a few hiccups, including their wedding venue canceling on the same day,
It's been an hour since we've heard about the cancellation, and they've already got a backup plan.
it will not stop them.
The storm's not going to stop them. The storm's not going to stop any of us. I mean, we're from Buffalo. They're from Buffalo. People in Buffalo are just a different breed. So they're built for this.
And they're just going to embrace it.
Snow angels. Oh yeah, snowball fight. We'll have like a time set.
To love and to cherish,
Long life together in snowy Buffalo.
till death do us apart. In Buffalo, Alexandra Rios, Channel 2 News.
Hey, they say rain is good luck on your wedding day. I'm not quite so sure about snow, but you know what? If they can get through that, they can get through just about anything.